Items I use for my shrimp fried rice. I use shrimp. This is mixed vegetables. What's left of them? Mixed vegetables. I have some rice left over, so that's why I'm going to go ahead and make the shrimp fried rice. This is jasmine rice, onion, green onion, egg, and this is what I use, the less sodium soy sauce and sesame oil. And those are my shrimp fried rice ingredients. Okay, I'm starting off with garlic, crushed garlic and olive oil sauteed in the skillet. Then I'm going to add my mixed vegetables and stir that around. What I'm going to do now is add the green onions. You gotta have green onions and regular onions. And stir all that up. And now I'm going to prepare the skillet because I want to scramble the egg that I'm going to put in here. Now this shrimp fried rice, you can make it with shrimp, chicken. I'm sure you've had shrimp fried rice in the past, so you know you can put beef, chicken, or shrimp. Here I'm going to scramble the egg. And keep stirring up the vegetables. So you won't burn it and it won't stick. The next thing I want to add to this is the rice. And stir that up. And you can add your sesame seed oil and your soy sauce for flavor. And just keep seasoning it with the sesame oil and the soy sauce. Mainly sesame seed oil just to get that flavor. And then use your soy sauce to give you the seasoning, basically, the salt taste that you need in your shrimp fried rice. Okay, I'm scrambling this up so I can go ahead and just add this next to the skillet. I'm sure there are other ways in the Chinese restaurants that they prepare this, but this is my way of doing it. Stir it up. Now I'm going to heat up this skillet so that I could cook the shrimp. I don't think there's any wrong or right way you can do this. It's just use your imagination. Just stir up your vegetables, meat, rice, or whatever you want, and just fry it, stir fry it in the skillet. As you can see, I'm adding the olive oil so that I can saute the shrimp. See, I've added the shrimp to the skillet so I can go ahead and saute those. I'm not going to cook them too long because the steam from the rice and the vegetables will finish it off once I put it in there and then close the lid. I guess I could have used some garlic butter or some butter and garlic to saute the shrimp instead of the olive oil, and that would have some extra flavor to add it to the rice. But you can do whatever you want to your taste. Look, I'm no cook. I love to decorate. But every now and then I get in this kitchen and cook something. As you can look at me and tell, I love food. I love to eat. Anyway, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload more video. I'll upload another video. See you on the next one. Bye. What I didn't do is remove the tail from the shrimp this time. Normally I do, and I also butterfly it.